Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use Galaxy AI to read highlights of a website. So Galaxy AI can scan and summarize web pages, pulling out the most important points for you. So instead of reading through the long articles, you can simply ask AI to deliver the highlights, either as a text or read it aloud. So this is especially handy for news, research, or when you're multitasking. So here's an example. We'll go ahead and open up Samsung Internet Browser. Here I've searched for cataract eye surgery. Now I want to go ahead and find out more about this. So I'll go ahead and scroll down and find a website where it gives us genuine information. So the NHS UK will give me genuine information on this. So I'll tap on this. Now this is giving me a long website where I have to read this and I can't be bothered as I'm doing something else as well during this time. So in order to do this, I'll go ahead and tap on Galaxy AI here and I'll tap on Read Highlights Aloud. This will now find all the key highlights and will start to read the key highlights in this website. So if I go ahead and increase the volume.
It can also occur in children. The surgery involves removing the cloudy lens and replacing it with a clear plastic lens.
I can go ahead and increase the speed of the speech. Go ahead and go back to a few information back if I missed it. Go ahead and pause it and play it. Go ahead and fast forward a bit. And I can go ahead and translate it to any other language I like. So website summary saves time, helps with accessibility, and lets you observe information hands-free. So this is perfect when cooking, walking, or commuting. It's a smarter way to stay informed without drowning in information overload. So there you go, guys. That is how to use Galaxy AI to read highlights of a website on your Samsung Galaxy device. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.